It's a beautiful morning up in the hills of Portland. Beautiful, we're having lovely weather today. Nice and cool weather. As you can hear the birds, they have already started their day. The peacefulness of nature. It's a breath of fresh air, so peaceful. It's good to have peace. Nothing is better than your peace of mind. The sun over on the mountain top taking its own time to come over. Listen to the birds. What you're hearing is water running through the hills of Portland. Listen to the sound of peace. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Water coming from all the way up in the hills. Up in the hills. I don't know if you know this fruit, or is whatever they call it. You know, that's, if you know that noni. That's noni.